Hey guys, it's Johnny. Today we're looking at this Innova 3140RS scan tool. This is a level 3 feature scan tool. It's got the airbag and ABS along with all these other features here, guys. Take a look. I'm not going to name them all, just take a look. This here retails for a little bit over $200. I'm just going to go ahead and do an unboxing video at the moment, and we'll go ahead and test it out next time. But let's check this out for now. And in case you don't know, a scan tool is what you plug to your car when it has a check engine light on or a service engine light on or whatever kind of, light that comes on your dashboard. You plug this to your car and it tells you what's wrong with it. So that's pretty much what a scan tool is. All right, guys, once you get everything out the box, you have your actual scan tool that does require 3 AA batteries. They do come included. You have your car scan quick start guide. All right, you also have all the cables here, so let's check them out. This is the OBDII. It comes with you got Lexus, so you got a Lexus one here as well. What else do we have? A Chrysler. It's like an adapter for one of these, a Chrysler adapter. We have I'm not sure what this one is here. Okay, and then a few more adapters here. We have a Honda adapter. We have a Ford. We have a GM as well. And that's going to be it. All right. This is the Innova scan tool, airbag and ABS. This is a feature 3 level, 3140RS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, repair solutions 2, it's the RS2, verified fixes, how-to videos, parts and labor costs, scheduled maintenance, predicted failures, 1-year warranty. These are all the features and functions. We are over here, 3140RS. This is us. So I would say it's like a mid-grade. It's not the best, but again, it's not the cheapest. This retails at over $200, just about a little bit over 200 bucks. So here we go. Look, we got the OBDI adapters that are included. Like we just saw, the Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, and Honda, 81 through 95. All right, guys, this is just a quick unboxing video, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.